Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to create one of these MCO coins. Basically these are like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but from a great company called crypto.com. And if you download their phone app, which I really recommend, and use my referral link in the description, we'll both get $50 if you stake 50 of these bad boys. So, please subscribe to me if you want to win one of these. Subscribe and comment, and I will give one of these away. You could win, so please subscribe and comment. Without further ado, let's get making. Okay, first, on Fusion 360, which is the CAD program, we'll draw a circle, then we'll extrude it to about 4mm. Next I imported an FPG, or the MCO crypto logo, we then extruded that by 0.8mm. Then I chamfered the corners. Then I used a pattern tool to create many repeated grooves around a coin, like a 10p piece. We're lucky enough to own a resin printer, so the printer now is print really high detail. I really recommend them as well. You probably hear it in the background at the moment. Okay, I had to reprint it as I forgot to print it at an angle, which is quite important for its sort of detailedness. So you've seen some of the old footage because I couldn't refilm it, but I will print it at an angle, don't worry. So once it has been printed, I remove the supports and wash the coin in isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any unnecessary resin. Then once you cool the coin in the UV light, we're ready to sand the bottom and top with 120 grit. Then I finish off with 400 grit sandpaper. Next I sprayed a black primer over the whole coin. This creates a good adherence to the paint and gives it a nice smooth finish. I recommend doing around 2 coats of primer. Next I spray a couple of coats of silver paint onto the coin. Oh wow, so shiny. I mixed a little bit of silver paint with the blue to get that MCO crypto blue colour for the indents of the coin. To give the coin a more contrasty real look, I painted a black wash over the whole coin. Once it's dried, I re-highlighted the blue and re-highlighted the silver with a dry brush technique to make it all worn and contrasty again. Next, to make it look proper glossy, I sprayed a gloss lacquer over the whole coin, do around 3 coats. It will look beautiful. Now we are done. I really hope you like this video. Please comment how I can do better. And also please remember to subscribe. See you soon guys.